all set to launch the Pura 90 series in China on April 20th. The company's revealed pre-order open for two models only, the Pura 90 Pro and Pro Max. If this year's lineup is anything to go by, you cannot expect more than two models. Last year there were four models. It seems like the Pura 90 will be coming in a three-pack, Pura 90, 90 Pro and Pro Max. According to tipster Fixed Focus Digital, Huawei is scrapping the Ultra model altogether this generation. You will get the Vanilla Pro, Pro Max model. Another well-known leaker, DCS, has claimed that several other smartphone brands are hitting the pause on the Ultra tier model. The company could reshuffle the portfolio. The Pro Max sits below the Ultra. It might inherit some of the imaging features that would have been reserved for the Ultra, so the Pro Max is essentially replacing the Ultra. The tipster said this is due to the soaring memory prices. In these circumstances, launching the Ultra model will push it beyond $1,500, which is typical above the pricing range for Ultra series of device. The current surge in memory prices shows no sign of easing. According to the report, the supply gap in the memory market will be resolved only after second half of 2027. This means cost pressures will remain a persistent challenge for the smartphone industry for more than 1 year. Combined with factors about the limited demand for Ultra models, many brands may opt to discontinue the Ultra lineup for the time being.